Got my first electric uke today. It's a flight. It's a Vanguard electric tenor with a low G. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. And I haven't had electric uke before. I've had electric guitar, but this is the first time I've ever had electric. I'm playing it through the Roland Micro Cube, and at the moment, what is it on? JB Clean. Pretty much the intonation is good. The tuning has been fine. The strings feel really nice. They don't feel too light, they don't feel too heavy. The frets feel beautiful, the neck, it's mahogany, it's absolutely beautiful. I really like this instrument. I love the size, I love the sound, I love the feel. I try not to play it out of tune. Very cool, very, very cool. Let's get a bit of Brit combo going.